When you're building a brand new Facebook profile, one of the biggest challenges is that it looks completely empty. No posts, no activity, no credibility. And let's be honest, nobody trusts a blank profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix that using this software. First, go to Facebook and find any profile in your niche. Copy that profile link and convert it into a UID. If you're building your personal brand, you can simply use your own account's UID. Next, open the software and go to Account function, then paste the UID into the system. Here, you'll have multiple options. Scan and extract posts from the original profile, or use the Post Now feature to instantly publish content filter posts by conditions like only posts with images, hashtags, or keep the original timeline. Once everything is set up, just select the accounts you want to build and click Start. The software will automatically handle the entire process, from collecting content to publishing posts in a natural way. After it's done, check your profile and you'll see a fully populated timeline, realistic posts with images and content, a natural posting history that looks authentic. The result? A profile that looks real, active, and trustworthy. And this is extremely important, because in real-world marketing, profiles with content and activity always get higher engagement and conversion rates. Instead of spending days or weeks posting manually, this software helps you build multiple profiles in minutes, saving up to 80–90% of your time and effort.